Good morning, everyone. We are going to try this again. Hopefully our science book is working and that this video has sound. So the first thing I want you to do is actually grab your iPad and click on your settings app. So once you're in your settings app, I want you to click on Safari and hopefully you'll be able to see. It's a little difficult. Okay, so once you're on Safari, there we go. Look down here at block pop-ups. Yours should be gray like mine. If it's green, oh, wrong one. If it's green, then that means it's turned on and your science book won't work. So you need to make sure that it is gray, which is turned off. So once you have that, you are actually going to go to Clever, which I already have pulled up. So once you are on Clever, there we go, let me see if I can balance this. Once you are on Clever, you're going to scroll down to Science. There we go. Once we get to Science, click on, there we go, HMH Discovery. And then it should pop up right away. So this should show you your assignments. All you do is press Continue. And then it'll say Allow Pop-Up. You should click Allow. I'm going to click that, and then it will take you to your assignment, which we will go through in just a second. Okay, so we are now in our science book. I'm just going to take you through it quickly. So we have, it starts off with a video about the engineering design process. Make sure you watch that. You should watch every video that's in here. This is in, so I'm going to turn the sound off for now. This is our little megaphone, so you can actually, they will read the page to you. So if you want to listen to it or if you would like to read it, either is okay. There's also closed captioning, so you can read the page down here or hear what they are saying to you. So this says runaway wagon. How can you stop a wagon from rolling away? So this is your Unit 1 project, and it asks you to download this PDF, but I don't actually want you to do that right now. I just want you to think about how you could stop a wagon from rolling away. So I don't want you to download the PDF. I will let you know when and if we are going to do the project 1. So I'm going to keep going from here. This is our vocabulary page. You just click on the picture or on the definition to see what it means. We have 2 pages, and this one is a little hard to see. For some reason, it's not letting me scroll down. It might show up on your iPads, but if not, let me see if I can get back to it. If not, you can actually see everything you need to right here. So I'm going to keep going. So more vocabulary. We have our first introduction to ramps and part of the design process, another video on ramps. And then we have a question. So it says, can you solve it? How can a ramp solve a problem? So after watching that video, you should be able to answer this. So you are able to either record your voice, so you speaking the answer, or you can type it. Either way, Mrs. Eckert, Mrs. Sanderson, and I are able to see your answers. So make sure that you are taking the time to read the question, you're thinking about it, and you're answering with your best second grade words. So after watching the video, you can click on text and you can just type here, or you can record. This is drawing, but like I said, you don't really need to do that right now. So just focus on these 2 to answer your question. Once you're done, and make sure you have a capital letter at the start of your sentence and a period or a question mark at the end, then we are going to move on. This is our I can statement. From here, we have more videos about what engineers do. It tells us the definition, about a design process, and this is kind of like a way to quiz yourself. So you can hide the answers and see if you remember what step 1 in the design process is, step 2, so on. And then same thing for here. Again, just step 1, step 2, step 3. From here, let me see if I can click on it. There we go. This is sort of a quiz for yourself again. So this is just, what do engineers do? And like I said with our typing box earlier, Mrs. Eckert, Mrs. Sanderson, and I will be able to see your answer. So make sure that you are really thinking about it. So it says, what do engineers do? So you can click, and I'm just clicking random ones. You can click your answer and then check. And then those are your 2 assignments for today. I will make another welcome video when we have assigned more. But yes, you should be able to access your science book now. So yay!